Okay, left off last time. We were ready to start setting the ridge and putting rafters in. So I've already, okay, the camera crew is also the cook, and she was preoccupied, so I went ahead and set the ridge. I'll show you on the next one how we did that. Okay, let's come in here. There's our ridge. It's a 2x6. My original design just had rafters and a piece of plywood and like individual trusses. And if you have all new lumber and everything that you need, trusses are fine. But this is a little kind of thrown together, so at best. So I wanted at least a solid ridge, a new ridge. So we went with the 2x6. I've got it up there. I just want to put a couple of stabilizers in it to get it good and solid.
How much were they? Do you remember?
I think this and a couple of, I want to say $1 a foot, something like that. Something like that. Shut up! You too! Okay, one on the other side.
They're sassing you.
Yeah. They're mocking me. Yeah, you are. I'm hooked.
You're hooked. Hold on. Down and there.
Okay.
You'll probably have to edit your butt out. Because I wasn't watching where I was aiming the camera. I was more concerned about getting you freed up.
All right.
All right, so this side is secured.
Yeah, we're pretty well locked in there. Okay.
A lot of the weight goes right onto that little piece you put across.
Yeah, that's holding up the ridge. There's one toenail in the top holding it to the wall. This one is holding it to the wall. This one's holding it to the wall. And this is supporting a lot of the weight. It's anchored there, there, and here. Now this layout mark right here, that does not follow any 16 center, 24 2-foot on center, none of that. This is an exact reflection of this right here. That will carry a load. That's going to carry my load of that rafter, and thus carry the load of the roof. Now, for additional strength here, I have a block here fastening this section and this section together, a block here, doing the same here, and the same on this side. So everything, at least this center section, is pretty solid.
Stabilized.
This way, yeah, stabilized. One of those big fancy words for holding things.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, up, vertical.
Yeah, we learned that in up and down class.
Up and down class.
Yeah, up and down class.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay.
A little bit more. Almost there. Okay. It's sitting on top now.
Yep.
All right.
Don't messes with it.
Oh, I'm not touching it. It'll knock me on the noggin.
Hit you in the head. Let's see how this one fits. And if we're
Do you have your
good,
drill in case you need it?
if we're good, it's going to be a pattern. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to use this as a pattern and duplicate it.
Shouldn't we put it on the next location to make sure it is equal? In theory, it should be.
Shouldn't you make it equal?
In theory, it should be. However, now you're just aiming in my head. I know what you're doing.
Okay. Yeah, we're good there. And yeah, okay.
All right. Now we're ready to duplicate.
Right. Okay. And I'll make one for the other side and test the fit on it. Then I'll cut all these rafters because they're all the same. I know they're gonna fit. I'll just cut them all and lean them up on the outside right where they go. I'm gonna have to do something about this. We have support here, we have support here. I want to throw in a 2x4 right here on this good solid support.
Mm-hmm.
Throw a 2x4 in here, screw it off a couple times on the outside, just so I know this is actually carrying a load. And
The plywood's not going to give way.
right, and I'll probably put a block in here.
Might as well put it on both sides. That way we can
I mean,
call it
this
a
is
frame.
This is where the rafter tail is going to sit. Is right here.
Mm-hmm.
But I want some. I'm just going to do something here.
You're going to work magic.
Okay, let's get some rafters. Okay, let's dry fit this side, see where we're at. Well, okay. My angle's not quite right. So this is going to be my pattern. I need to adjust that. That's like more than a 412 or less than a 412. I don't know, but I didn't. I was aiming for a 412 pitch. It's not quite there, but this is adjustable, and I'll make it. When I get a nice tight fit, then I'll cut all of these rafters for the coop off of this one. For that side of the coop, I'll use this one, and that'll most likely be this video. And for the next video, we'll set that ridge. But before we set that ridge, I have to come up with a way to get more support down there, because I don't trust just a couple of screws. That the cedar poles will carry the load, but I don't trust just a couple of screws through this plywood into those cedar screws to carry.
We're probably going to use the cedar,
weight,
yeah.
all of that weight. So I'm going to have to come up with something to put from here, from the end of these two pallets, where these, from this seam to this seam, and from here to there, all the way around. So I'll need two for this side, two for that side, and two for the end down there. I'd like to get that taken care of before I hang any rafters and put myself up there, because I don't bounce as well as I used to. When I was 40 years ago, I bounced pretty good. Not so much today. Well, let's get these cut. That'll work. Okay.
All right, do we have a dry fit?
Yep.
All right, now we have a template. Oh, did you try it on this spot there? Is good?
Yep.
And oh, you're really gonna lean that part. Careful.
Nope, not there.
Oh.
That's
That one's wonky.
Yeah, that's an inch off.
Okay, well then. Yes, you cut the that one first.
Well, 3/4 of an inch. Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
we got a measurement.
Okay, let's see. This one should be long enough.
The squeak monster.
Okay.
Here we go.
The sweat bees today are outrageous.
Oh, they're terrible. They keep nibbling and biting. They hurt when they bite.
Okay, now you're going to look from that side and tell me when I'm...
You're on the thing, if that's what you mean.
Over on this side.
A little bit more to your left. Your left. Move your hand so I can see. Just barely, like 1/4 of an inch more. Perfect, it looks like.
Close enough.
I'm sorry.
I ain't moving it.
I didn't want to stand under it. Just in case.
Why not?
Because you take the opportunity. Oops. Are you okay?
Oh my!
Oh, that's horrible. That's horrible. Like that meme.
Oh my! That's terrible. Did that hurt?
Mm-hmm.
So, this rafter is resting right on that load point, all the way to the ground. Okay.
Ouch. You don't know what you're doing with it.
Shut up. 23 1/4 right to the side.